Making the hunter band, we have to make a bight with the left rope, put the right rope inside this band and outside of it. Now we have made two bites, a left bite and a right bite. They are linked together. We put the running hands above the standing parts, then we put the running hand inside the bite, like this, under the bite, and outside the ring that has formed, passing above, like this. We keep a little bit of space inside here, and we put the running hand of the left running hand inside the ring, under the two bites, and outside over the ring. We pull all together and we have made the hunter knot. As you can see, it's symmetrical knot and it's done.